Tom came in with a big red hat. Jerry said, "Wow, what is that?" Tom said, "Pack your little bag. We're off to the UK, don't lag." Tom wore a jacket red and bright. Jerry waved his flag with delight. At the airport, crowds rushed by. A giant plane zoomed through the sky. Jerry clapped and gave a cheer. Tom said, "The adventure's near." Both sat down and held on tight. The plane took off into the night. Plane 2 in the UK. Wheels touched down on London ground. Tom looked up and spun around. A red bus zoomed and made a beep. Tom got startled with a leap. Jerry twirled on the busy street. Tom raced fast on clumsy feet. A guard stood still with hat so neat. Tom spilled tea near the royal seat. Sitting places. Big Ben chimed from up so high. Jerry squeaked and blinked each eye. They climbed aboard the London wheel. Tom held tight with nervous squeal. Across the bridge they ran with speed. Tom slipped down, what a funny deed. They reached the palace, gave a bow. Jerry juggled cookies somehow. They nibbled fish with crispy fries. Tom got sauce beneath his thighs. They danced in rain with shoes that squeak. Jerry spun and kissed Tom's cheek. "Let's return," said Jerry loud. Tom just smiled and took a bow. Back they flew across the blue. UK trip was fun and new. Tom came in with a big red hat. Jerry said, "Wow, what is that?" Tom said, "Pack your little bag. We're off to the UK, don't lag."
Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.